All right, first let's have you show me how we're going to know anterior from posterior, or ventral from dorsal.
I know that
Right.
is dorsal, this side.
So you find that, you know you're on the dorsal side.
Yep.
That's called the dorsal, point to the dorsal root ganglion, right there. So now that you know that that's dorsal side, we'll go down the list. Anterior or ventral median fissure. Good, because a fissure, let's turn it a little bit, remember, is a deep groove. So that's the anterior or ventral median fissure. I'm going to skip the ones that are on your figures. Central canal. And you're seeing a little bit of a canal, and then you see where it says number 9 with an arrow. So that's central canal. Dorsal root, just the root. Good. So the root will have only nerve fibers. The ganglion, point to the ganglion, right, is a bulb-like structure. What's inside the dorsal root ganglion?
Cell sensories.
Good. Sensory cell bodies. Good. All right. Going to the gray matter. Find the lateral horn. Good. The one pointing to the sides. Anterior or ventral horn. There and there. And posterior horn. There and there. And posterior or dorsal, you can use either word. Posterior or dorsal median sulcus. Right, and hard to tell here, but it is a depression. If you were looking at this picture here, you can see that that is more narrow than the fissure. So that's a sulcus, that's a fissure. Spinal nerve. Right, so once we have them come together. Ventral root. Ventral root. Good, and the whole thing. We don't have any bulbs there, so that's all a ventral root. And of course, ventral is got the motor nerve fibers, because that's going out. Sensory coming in the back. Sensory comes in the back door. Motor goes out the front door. White matter. Lateral funiculus. Good. Either side. Anterior funiculus, right around where the 3 is, and posterior funiculus. Follow that. That's it on your spinal cord model. Remember to find the 3 coverings on the figure: the dura mater, arachnoid matter, and pia mater. It's not shown here, but I want you guys to know that they cover the spinal cord as well. That was that figure. What was it, number